In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate for iPhone 13 Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to modify the refresh rate on any iPhone device, including the 13 Pro. You will be able to use the default 60 Hz or make it go higher if you prefer. So all that you have to do to change the refresh rate on any iPhone model is to head over into the settings. Inside of the settings on any device, look for the accessibility category. So as you can see, it is going to be over here at the bottom. So scroll down until you find accessibility. Inside of accessibility, you will be able to look for the motion category. So this one is going to be closer to the top under the vision options. So go into motion and you will be able to find the only option available related to refresh rate. So as you can see, they call it frame rate, but essentially it is the same thing as refresh rate, so you don't have to worry. Now, if you read this option, you will realize what it does. This is going to be allowing you to lock or limit your frame rate. So if you enable this, or rather you turn it on, it is going to fix the refresh rate of the screen to 60 Hz. By default, it is going to be off. So if you have never changed this option, it is going to be off by default. And if you enable it, it will lock the display to the lowest refresh rate possible, which is 60. So if you prefer to have a lower refresh rate because it is more comfortable on your eyes, you should enable this. Now, if you let it be off, which like I mentioned multiple times is the default, then the display will automatically adjust itself. And if it notices that you want or should have a higher refresh rate, such as when you are playing a game, it will automatically make the refresh rate go higher. And this will fluctuate the refresh rate in order to save battery. Sadly, there is no way to set it to a fixed 120 Hz. So you will not be able to make your iPhone always be at 120 Hz. This is going to be done in order to allow you to save battery. And unless an update in the future addresses this, you will only be able to change the refresh rate by either enabling or disabling this option. Enabling it will set it to a fixed 60, which never changes, and disabling this option will make it so the display will automatically adjust itself, making the refresh rate higher or lower accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on iPhone 13 Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.